These are a set of front seat covers for the MGA Coupe models. These have been done to original specifications, which is leather faced. So it's a combination of leather and vinyl. And these have been done in what we refer to as parchment, which is sort of like a off-white creamy colour, in a grained leather finish, as you can see. We can also offer for some colours smooth leather, so see our website for more details and for prices, as prices do vary. So the kit consists of a pair of cushion bases, the bit your bum goes on, and a pair of backrests, the bit you lean against. They're all pleated as per original spec. Now the coupes, the pleats went from left to right, whereas the roadsters, they went from back to front, so just bear that in mind. You can see genuine tuck and roll pleats, as with all of our seats, and they are slightly handed. It's all related to vinyl on the inside of the tunnel gearbox area there, with some nice top stitching, as you can see. It has the vinyl retainer as well. So basically the majority of it is leather, so all of this top section here is leather. Then the main surround is leather up until the point here where it changes into vinyl. You can see as well our colour matching between our vinyl and leather is very close. We spend a lot of time on that. Piping in Leathercloth, vinide as original. Majority of colours you can get in Leathercloth, so we pipe as standard in Leathercloth, which is the original material used. For certain colours though, it's not available, and therefore we revert to vinyl. But bear in mind, a lot of other suppliers out there, they simply offer vinyl, which is a bit fatter, doesn't look as nice in my opinion, and also it's not, strictly speaking, original. Moving on to the backrests, again, horizontal pleats, tuck and roll, can't really show you that easily. And the main bits here are leather, as is the main surround at the top here. And then you can just see the top stitching there where it goes into vinyl. Same again on that side there. Retainers at the bottom are in vinyl as well. And then the back of the backrest is also vinyl, as you can see there. So that is a set of the MGA Coupe front seats. See our website for more details.